How to enable VPN on Opera CX Mobile. Welcome to Great Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. It is very easy to enable VPN on Opera GX if it is in your PC or laptop. Let's find out if you can enable VPN on the Opera GX Mobile. The first step is to open the Opera GX browser on your device. If you do not have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. When you open it up, on the home screen, there is no option of VPN. If you tap on the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, you have different options such as private mode, my flow, history, downloads, mod, settings. If you tap on settings, you're going to find that there is no option of VPN. That is because as of today, there is no option to enable VPN on Opera GX Mobile. With this video, I want to inform you guys that you're not able to enable the VPN option on Opera GX in your mobile. So if you want VPN, you will have to use it in your PC or laptop. Even in the private mode, there is no option of VPN. That's the end of this video. If you found this information helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.